So the last time I did the unboxing of this auto face tracking selfie stick or tripod stand, and I must tell you guys, this is an amazing device that you should have, especially for people who don't have people that would hold their cameras while they're shooting videos. This is actually what you need to get. Yeah, let me show you guys how this thing works. First things first, you can always adjust this. This is the phone mount, and you can always adjust it to your phone size, and it records, and you can also twist it to the landscape mode, or you have your regular portrait mode for your phones and whatever the device you want to mount here. And also it goes 180 degrees too, all the way to the back. So now this is the power button. Now this is the lens, and it has two modes, the sitting mode and the standing mode. The standing mode is for, it's actually self-explanatory. So when you're standing, you just activate, you just hit flip it faces upward. So the lens, it's channeled towards an elevated angle. Too much English. Anyways, so this is the mount. So this goes right in here and you screw it in. You can also mount this on your tripod stand. So for people who want higher elevations and all that. So this is the way it works. So let's go and try it out and see how it works. So I have this mounted here. Then you press and hold the power button and it comes on. So what this does is the lens searches for faces, so like I'm standing, so I'll need to flip it to look upwards. So let me try and put a phone here and mount a phone here. Okay, so here we go. So I just move backward so that the lens can actually capture my face, and here you go. So it speaks my face. So let's try it out. I move to my left. You see, it follows me. I move to my right. It follows me. You don't need to put too much stress on the device. Just, walk with the pace. Don't stress the machine. So move to your left again. And you see, now let me show you guys one really cool feature that this device has. It recognizes hand gestures. So now you see the device is following me up and down. Now if I actually want it to stop, I just do the palm gesture and it stops. Watch, it doesn't move again. Now to reactivate it, all I need to do is the OK sign and watch. Is this not cool? So let's try out one last thing. Let me show you guys another cool feature. So if you wanted to do a 360, all you need to do is go to the power button right here and click it twice. Watch. And it does a 360. Is this not cool, guys? This is a gadget that I feel every content creator should get, especially people who do not have crew members or people to hold their cameras while they are recording videos. For tours and all that. You know your thing, you know how you do your stuff, but this is amazing for people who actually don't have crew members. So, and to stop it, you just click it once and it stops. So, is this not a perfect device to get? So, make sure you look at the link in my bio, and if you want to get this, and it's quite very, very reasonably priced. It's not expensive, trust me, and it's something I would recommend for every content creator out there. Thank you so much for watching.